Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Honestly, I feel like I've been away for a while. I'm not really sure, maybe like a week. Not intentional. I've just been super crazy at work and I cannot keep up with life. That's basically what's happening. But today, my Glossybox and my BoxyCharm came, so we are going to do a Glossybox unboxing. I would like to say that everything is a mess. My whole life is in shambles, but when I came back to YouTube in January, I had said, I don't give a shit what comes between me and YouTube. It's not happening. I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna make time for it because it's what makes me happy. Something else that makes me happy is doing giveaways, so just a quick reminder about the giveaway that is still running on my channel. I will link the video down below as well as up here. It is for a whole bunch of stuff, including the entire BH Festival collection, so go check that out if you haven't already. Back to my original rant about doing what I want to do. My face is a mess. I just came home from work. My hair is a mess. My clothes is a mess. Everything is a mess. So there is so much clothes on my floor, I can barely move my chair around. But I'm gonna do this anyway because from what I hear, people aren't into that into looks. So if you don't want to look at me, just turn your screen around and you can listen to me talk about my Glossybox. You're not here for my looks, right? Exactly. So if you've never heard of Glossybox before, it is a subscription box. Clearly, box subscribes, comes to me. Amazing! Hi, Easy Boy. Dogs are also roaming around. This is not another video where you're gonna come and steal the shit out of my hands, okay? Alright, so I will leave the information for Glossybox down below. He just ate and left like slimy slime on my arm. Back to the task at hand. This is why I can't get any filming done because it's just constant interruptions, but we're just gonna power through. So this month's box seems to be a summer solstice theme. Ooh! Gotta get my trusty, handy, dandy little thingy-bob out, so it just gives me an overview of everything that's in the box, but I cannot look. It is a spoiler. Let's just hear all the stuff I have to move to put this down. There we go. My lighting's being mildly psychotic, but like, again, we're not here for looks, so we're cool. So digging right in, I really like the presentation of the Glossybox. It's so much more like classy. And originally I had made a complaint about this like stuff that's in BoxyCharm, and then BoxyCharm stopped doing that and started doing like a foam roll instead. But I'm gonna actually unbox the stuff and stop talking about packaging. So the first thing we have here is a Karl Lagerfeld Model Co. lip liner in Rosewood. So the full size of this is $29. This is a full size. Looking to enhance that gorgeous pout of yours, this soft wax lip pencil will make your lips look pillowy and full thanks to its creamy formula and universally flattering color. So I recently got a Model Co. highlight from the collab. Whoa, that is super smooth. Quiet, Peasy. Everything with the Karl Lagerfeld name tends to be a little bit more expensive, so like $29 for this designer lip pencil, I don't know if I would pay that, but it is very creamy and I'm gonna give it a go, and I'm not sad about the fact that I got it. The next thing I'm grabbing here is a banana setting powder from, who is this from? Bella Pierre Cosmetics. So full size of this is $35 and it's 0.1 ounces. This one is, this doesn't actually have a size on it, so either I'm blind or it's not there. Feeling a little too rosy, this color correcting setting powder helps counteract redness with special pigments. Apply using a fluffy blush brush or a sponge, dabbing it wherever you need it, even your eyelids. Funny enough, I don't actually own a banana powder, and I was looking at one recently, so I'm not sad about this. This is actually my third box. So I had done the 3-month subscription and then it basically rolls over. What I really like about this is they asked me last month if I wanted more makeup products, and that was actually something that kind of, not made me dislike the box, but I subscribe to subscription boxes for makeup, not hair care, clearly, not skincare, clearly, and I want to try makeup. I want to try new things that I might not have tried otherwise. And they actually asked me, and when I said yes, they did send me more makeup products. I don't know if it's a coincidence, but I'm not mad about it. The next product in here, funny enough, is body lotion, so skincare. This is by Gilchrist and Soames. Body lotion in English Garden. The full size is $24 and 15.5 ounces. This one is 2 ounces, so the full size is quite large. This literally smells like an English Garden. Wow, I also just noticed that my nails are super ratchet. Like, my life is a mess and I don't even care. So I hope you guys don't care either, because this is what life is like for people. Or maybe it's just me, I don't know. Close your eyes and breathe in the fresh essence of the English countryside with this fragrant, silk-infused, not inspired, body cream. Containing food-grade, naturally derived botanicals as well as cruelty-free honey. This evocative blend is as transportive as it is delicate. So can you eat this? Should I eat it? So we have a tool in here. It is an eyelash curler from Emite Makeup. It's actually quite pretty. It is a rose gold eyelash curler and pretty intense by the look of it. How much is this? Professional eyelash curler, $25. Because everything looks better in rose gold, we bring you this gorgeous metallic professional lash curler, which is ergonomically designed, I said that wrong, ergonomically designed to create a flirty eye without ever touching your face. That's actually so smart. One of my major complaints with the beauty world is that there is no longer any type of innovation happening, and I think that's ridiculous. So I use the Shuuemura eyelash curler, and this thing always leaves a dot in my face, always. So I'm like this and like doing my thing. Oh yeah, doing my lashes. Now I'm doing my lashes on both sides. This is not touching my face, and this is gonna leave a giant effing divot. I don't know if you can see it there, but I can. Look at, no divot on this side. Brilliance. Absolute brilliance. Diesel's pissed about it. I've never been able to find an eyelash curler that works as well as the Shuuemura, so I'm gonna give this a shot, and if it works, goddamn, they got my business. This is from Temple Spa, an aromatherapy resting cream. What the hell is a resting cream? Massage into face and neck anytime you and your skin need a rest. Oh, well, shit, hold on. Ah! Is it working? Oh, oh, oh. In all fairness, it has like a eucalyptus-y type smell, and I don't actually like the smell of eucalyptus. It burns the nostrils. So the full size of this is $60 for 1.6 ounces. This is 0.5 ounces, so 1/3 of the full size, and the full size is 60 bucks. Ugh. Are you sleep deprived? If so, oh god, I'm gonna fall asleep in the middle of this. If so, reach for this nutritive night cream, rich in plant extracts and relaxing essential oils, designed to encourage restful sleep and promote feelings of calm. You'll wake up to firmer, softer skin. They also include a 20% off code. The 20% off code for this is repose for you. That sound was Diesel flipping his food bowl to tell me that it's empty, for anybody wondering. I kind of appreciate that they include a 20% off coupon, because 60 bucks for a face cream is pretty expensive. This month they actually sent 6 products, which is pretty crazy, and the last one is a Absolute New York Icon Mini Gold Glitz Eyeshadow Palette. So the full size for this is $8.99. That's actually a pretty sweet price for a full palette. So it would seem I'm incapable of opening this box, so I'm gonna rip it, because that's where I'm at. I don't have time for this. So it is very similar packaging to the Naked palettes. It's like that tin type business. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Naked Basics palettes. let's see how we feel about this. Oh yeah, it's definitely like Naked Basics. The pans are a little bit sunk in. I can't really get my finger in there. Got one band-aided finger. It's a little bit chalky, but overall not too bad. I'm not going to obviously make a call on this because how it performs on the eye is not the same way that it would perform in a swatch. It doesn't perform the same way on a finger as it does on a brush, etc., etc. There's so many stipulations of a good eyeshadow, so I don't like to make those judgment calls anymore based on finger swatches alone. So I think I just swatched over an already swatched portion of my hand, but I will probably try this out throughout the week and see how I feel about it. Overall, this was a very good box. I really liked the innovation of this eyelash curler, obviously, and I'm excited to try this lip liner because it's very, very smooth, and I was super surprised with how much I liked that blush slash highlight. It's called a blush, but it's definitely a highlight. I don't know if I would have purchased this Temple Spa thing, but I'm interested to see if it does help me sleep. I don't sleep very well typically, so I will track my sleep tonight when I use it, and I will probably tweet about it because if I actually sleep, I will sing it from the freaking treetops. This body lotion is one of those things where it's just kind of like, to me it's kind of like a filler product, and I'm also interested in seeing how this banana powder goes because I don't currently own one or use one, but I do have a lot of redness on my face and I want to see how that goes. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you are interested in Glossybox, I will leave a link down below and you can kind of check it out and see if it's something that is going to work for you. Don't forget to enter my giveaway if you haven't already because there are so many delightful things in there. There is skincare, makeup. I may throw some tools in there if I can find some. We are always getting them. And stay tuned for my BoxyCharm unboxing as well. Bye guys!